Looking for a reliable replacement ignition switch that won't leave you stranded? Let's take a close look at the Beck Arnley 201 E-Name 25. In short, this is a direct replacement ignition starter switch. Its core purpose is to restore that crucial turn-of-the-key function, powering up your accessories, engaging the starter, and getting your engine running smoothly. It's specifically designed for drivers who need a trustworthy, no-fuss solution that integrates seamlessly. What really makes this switch stand out is its commitment to original equipment standards. Beck Arnley engineered this part to match the OE form, fit, and function. That means it's manufactured to fit your vehicle's original wiring harness and ignition cylinder perfectly, saving you from modification headaches. A key detail to note, this is the switch only. It does not include the steering column lock assembly, so it's ideal if your lock mechanism is still fine, but the electrical switch has failed. The build quality focuses on longevity. It uses premium materials, including corrosion-resistant contacts. This is a big deal for ensuring consistent electrical flow over time, resisting wear from weather and repeated use. Plus, every unit is 100% tested for both mechanical and electrical performance before shipping, giving you added confidence in its reliability. For real-world use, installation is typically straightforward if you're familiar with basic steering column components. The pros are clear: precise OE fit, durable construction, and rigorous testing. The main con is simply that it's just the switch. If you need a full lock cylinder assembly, you'll have to look for a different kit. Compared to some generic alternatives, the Beck Arnley shines in its precise fit and material quality, avoiding the intermittent starting issues cheaper parts can cause. A practical tip: always disconnect your vehicle's battery before beginning installation for safety. Overall, if you're diagnosing a faulty ignition switch, symptoms like no power in run or start positions, or the starter not engaging, this Beck Arnley part is a solid, dependable choice that delivers exactly what it promises. Thanks for watching. If this review helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more straightforward parts breakdowns. Drive safe.